Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add Ultimate Sales Boost to your Shopify store. This is a great way to increase conversions using tools like countdown timers, trust badges, and urgency features. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, click Apps on the left side of your screen. Then go to All Recommended Apps and click Shopify App Store to search for more apps. Once we're there, type Automate Sales in the search bar. A list of apps will appear. Choose the one that fits your needs. For example, we can pick this free option. Click on it, then install it to connect it to your Shopify store. This app lets you create urgency, build trust, and encourage customers to take action, all of which can lead to more sales. Click Install to confirm. As you can see, the app now appears in your list of apps. All we need to do is click on it and wait for it to load. Once we're inside the app, click Sales Pump to start setting things up. From here, we can enable and configure the app based on how we want to boost our sales. And that's how we add Ultimate Sales Boost to our Shopify store. With this in place, we can start optimizing our store for higher conversions and better results.